Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Today we will discuss the questions based on the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. I hope you all are studied well the proof of Thales theorem because it is a very important theorem that's oftenly asked in questions in exams. So without letting there we will start the class of today. So, before starting the new theorems or questions, let's understand the theorem by some example. Suppose there is a triangle. Name them A, B, C, and there is an line D, E, which is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, ठीक है. And the AD's value is मान लो 4 and DB's value is 5 and AE's value is 6. Then anyone can say what is the value of EC, यानी कि EC's value is question mark. What is the values of EC? In order to solve this question, we will understand that Thales theorem says that if a line parallel to another side of a triangle, then this line divides non-parallel sides in the same ratio. It means 4 by 5 is equal to 6 by, let it's x, 6 by x. Solve this question. Let's solve this. Here 4 by 5 is equal to 6 by x. After solving, we will get the values of x. Let's cancel out this. 5 3 is 15 by 2. The value of x is 15 by 2. Okay? This is the process. Now let's take an example of your book. There is another theorem 6.2, but we will discuss after some solving the questions. Here let's solve the exercise 6.2, question number 1. Here in this triangle there is a triangle ABC and there is another line DE. Here is the value of 1.5, here is the value of 3, this value is 1, and what is the value of this? This value is question mark. It means the value of EC is question marked. First, second, D, find EC. Here question asked EC, find EC and AD in this. Now we will solve first, starting first. So we already know that by Thales theorem, if a line parallel to the another side of a triangle, then it divides in the same ratio. This upon this is equal to this upon this. This value is 1.3, this value is 3, this value is 1, and this value is not available. The value is x. After solving, this can be cancelled by 1 by 2. It means x is equal to 2. Now let's solve the second question. Second question is, here the value of A is given, the value of EC is given, the value of BD is also given, but the value of AD is question mark. Let it the value be x. Then according to Thales theorem, x by 7.2 is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. After solving this, you get the answer. ये 3 टाइम्स में कट जाएगा. The value of x is maybe 2.4. Solve this, you will and get the answer. So before proceeding this chapter, solve these exercise examples and ask me if any doubt. I will give some class works by some another books like R.S. Agarwal or etc. So we will only discuss 6.2 question number 1 based questions. So enjoy your day and solve your problems that are given by in the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.